there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
A report published by the ELEC last month claimed the Samsung Galaxy S11 will come equipped with a 5x optical zoom camera. Now, a leaked benchmark listing has surfaced online, suggesting the Galaxy S11 series will have taller screens than the company's current flagship phones. The display ratio from the test results means that if this is the S11, then it would be taller than the Galaxy S10, which hopefully means a larger total screen size and hopefully a higher resolution, too. Samsung already sells phones like the Galaxy A70 and A80, which both use this aspect ratio, so a phone of this shape would not be unprecedented for the company. The display of the S11 has attracted a lot of attention, already for the possibility that it may also make the jump to 90Hz like the OnePlus 7T or the newly announced Google Pixel 4. The irony is that despite making 90Hz displays for OnePlus, Samsung has yet to implement its own company's technology on its phones. It's widely expected and hoped that Samsung fixes this for the next generation Galaxy S series phone. Another Galaxy S11 design rumor has Samsung possibly hiding the front camera, so that the cutout only appears when the selfie camera is operating. This would achieve a true full-screen design without the punch hole on the Galaxy S10. The Galaxy S11 is also expected to boast a brand new camera sensor that could go up to 108 MP with 5x optical zoom, as well as 5G connectivity on more than one model. And that's it, guys. See you soon with another leak. And before leaving, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in tech leaks and rumors. Thank you for being here.